Hey folks, this is Nabil from Auto Repair Champs. Today we've got a 2006 Honda Pilot, and the purpose of this video is just to show you another culprit of a possible coolant leak would be coming from not just the radiator or hoses or head gasket or water pump. On this car, it's actually coming from the heater control valve, which is down there, right there. So what's happening is a customer came in with a complaint of cars overheating. When they checked the coolant, they found that the coolant level was low. They added coolant in there, and then after a couple of days, car overheated again, and then they checked the coolant, and then it turned out to be low again. We got the car in, we used our pressure tester. We used something like this here. This is the kit that I use, and let me show you the pump that I used. This is the pump that I used right here to pressurize the radiator. And then after we did that, we found out that it was leaking from the towards the firewall of the engine here, so or to the rear of the engine. So it was the heater core valve right there. This valve right there, where the valve is, it looks like it got rusty and it started leaking. So you guys want to make sure that when you check the coolant leaks on these Hondas, I believe it's the same for some of the Honda Accords and Honda Odysseys. I'm not positive, but this is a 2006 Honda Pilot. You want to always look at this valve. It's pretty common problem. Sometimes this cable comes loose, and sometimes it's just needs to be replaced from leaks. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day.